Hi guys, welcome to the CATWay. So in this video, we are going to solve our daily set. And before we begin, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Now moving on to the set. So what we have been given is that the annual income of 6 people A, B, C, D, E and F are 3, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 16 in no particular order. Now each of them saves a different percentage of his annual income 10, 20, 25, 35, 40 and 60 and invests it in a different financial instrument among bonds, FD, MF, RS and shares and commodities in no particular order. Okay. Chalo, so you got it's again a distribution set. So what you have is people. Take care. So you have A, B, C, D, E and F. Then you have the income. Now the percentage they save and the this financial instrument in which they save. Okay, so this is what you have. Okay, chalo, let's see what has been given to us. Now boss, it says that the average annual income of A, B and D is 6. Okay, so the average of A, B and D is 6. So A plus B plus D ka total value is basically 18. Okay, so now what you have is, let's see what are the possible cases that you can have. So no one can have a 16, right? No one can have a 16. That is certain. Okay. Then let's say if one person takes 10. Okay. If one person takes 10. Now what are the possibilities for the other two? So the possibilities for the other two is that they can, acha, there is no possibility because you can have not, you need a 8 again and there is no possible combination with which you are getting 8. Okay. So 10 is not possible. So one possible case is that one person has 8, then you need a 10 and a 10 is possible only via 4 and 6. So B, D and A in this is in no particular order. Okay, they can have anything between them. Take care. So that has been given to you. Now the person who earns the highest saves 5.6 lakh. Okay. So the person who earns the highest is basically earning 16 lakhs. And if he is saving 5.6 lakh, okay, so if someone is saving 5.6 lakh out of 16, he is basically saving 35%. Okay, that is done and invest it in RS. So one combination is set. So for any of these three items, if you get the name of the person, that will be the one slot will be completely filled. Okay, and it has been given that Chitra saves 25% of her annual income. So she saves 25%. Okay. Now the annual income of Ishan is the least among the six. Okay, so Ishan ka annual income is least, so he is going to save 3 lakhs. Okay. He saves 1/12 of the amount saved by the person who invests in mutual fund. Okay. Now the sum of the annual income of the person, okay, sum of the annual income of the person who invests in bonds and the person who saves 20% is equal to the sum of the annual income of Anuj and the person who saves 60%. Okay. Then it okay, nothing can be done. So and fifth point says that Bindra invest in shares. Okay, Bindra invest in shares. Okay, and the person who saves 40% does not invest in FD has been given to us. Take, chalo. Acha, now you see that between A, B and D, nobody is getting 16, E is not getting 16 and C is not getting 16. The one thing that is certain over here is that it is Farhan who is getting 16 and he is saving 35% and the value that he is saving is 5.6 lakh and basically he is saving in the RS. Okay, so that thing is certain with us. Okay, chalo, let's see what else do we have. So boss, let's see what else can be done. Okay. No, acha, Ishan saves how much? He saves 1/12 of the amount saved by the person who invests in mutual funds. Take care of 1/12 of the amount by the person who saves in mutual fund. Okay. So for 3, if you calculate at different percentage values, okay. So he is getting 3 lakhs. Okay. Now what he can save is what he can save if you see if you make the cases for him. Okay. So he is getting 3 lakhs. Okay. He can save 10%, that is 0.3. He can save 20%, that is 0.6. He cannot save 25 or 35%. He can save 40%, that is 1.2. And he can save 60%, that is 1 by 1.8. Okay. Now this is 1/12 of the person who invests in mutual fund. Okay. So if 0.3 is that value, so the person investing in mutual fund is saving what? 3.6. Okay. That person is saving 3.6. Okay. Now that person cannot be the person with 3 lakhs, because that is we know that is Ishan. If that person is earning 4, he has to save 90%. That's not possible. 6, he has to save 60%. Okay. So if that person is, one possible case is that the person who is saving 6 is saving 60%. Okay, so that is one possible case. For 8, 3.6 for 8 is not possible because 45% is not there. 3.6 for 10 is not possible. 3.6 for 16 is not possible. Okay, you talk about 0.6. Okay, you talk about 0.6. So if that person is investing, like saving 12 times more than that, so that person is saving 7.2. Okay, so for 3, 4, 6 and 8 it is not possible. For 16 it is not possible. For 10 also it is not possible. That means he is not, definitely not saving 0.6 lakhs. Okay, then it says ki boss 1.2. So if 1.2 is there and the person is earning 12 times more of it, so that person is saving 14.4 lakhs. That is again 90%. So these two cases are again not possible. So one thing is certain, that the guy Ishan is saving 3 lakhs. Okay, and he is at 10%. He is planning at 10%. Okay, and he's saving 0.3 lakhs. Okay, and also one thing is certain, that the person with the mutual funds is going with 6 lakhs. Okay, and he is saving what, 60%. ठीक है, that person is saving 60%. ठीक है, अब boss, that person is between A, B and D. That person is clear between A, B and D. अच्छा, one more thing, C is definitely getting income of 10 lakhs. ठीक है, C is getting an income of 10 lakhs. ठीक है, चलो let's move ahead. अच्छा, now what has been given to you, let us see. कि अच्छा, one thing is certain, that between B and A, one person is investing in mutual funds. Now we do not know anything about the person who is investing in mutual funds, but what we know is कि uh, the sum of the annual income of the person who invests in bonds and the person who saves 20%. ठीक है, person who saves 20% is equal to the sum of the annual income of Anuj and the person who saves 60%. Okay. Now one thing is certain, 60% is not going to be, because 60% wala guy is from the mutual fund. Okay. So and between A, so annual income of Anuj, sum of annual income of Anuj and the person who saves 60%. So definitely these two are some two different people. That means Anuj is not saving 60%. That means it is Dipanshu who is saving 60%. Okay. And one thing is clear, that he is investing in mutual funds and the total income of his is 6. ठीक, now you are left with, A and B, and between 8 and 4 is left. ठीक है, between 8 and 4 is left. चलो, then let's see what do we have. अच्छा, the person who saves 40% is not investing in FD. Now 40% के लिए you have two cases, one is A and one is B. ठीक है, so these are the two cases that you have. Okay, let us read the pointers again, and let's see if we can find something again. So annual income of ABD is 6. We have calculated that. Person who saves 5.6 invest in okay, person who earns high save for 5.6 invest in RS, and Chitra saves 25%. So that is also done. Annual income of Shan is least. He saves 12.12, 1 by 12th of amount saved by the person who invests in mutual fund. That is also done. Now you have to utilize the point number 4, because that is the only point that is left with you now. Okay. Now it has been given the annual income of the person who invests in bonds. Okay. So we do not know who is investing in bond. Okay. And the person who saves 20%. Now that is also not certain. Okay. So nothing is certain about the first two people. But it is given that it is equal to the sum of the annual income of Anuj and the person who saves 60%. Okay. So it is equal to the annual income of Anuj plus the person who saves 60%. So what do you have is that you have 6 lakh, because 60% wala guy is D and he is earning 6. For Anuj, you have two possibilities. Either it could be 8, the total could be 14, or it could be 4, that is 10. Okay. So one thing that we know is that sum of the annual income of person who invest in bond. Now bond ke liye what are the possibilities? Acha, bond ke liye if you see, talk about the possibilities, A is not investing in bond, because A is definitely not investing in bond, because bond वाले का sum plus 20% वाले का sum is equal to Anuj का sum and 60% वाले का sum. So A is definitely not investing in bonds. Now you have two possibilities for the people investing in bonds, that is C and E. ठीक है, for C and E there you have two possibilities, they are investing in bonds. ठीक है, चलो let's see what do we have. अच्छा, let's say bond वाला person is 3 E and he is getting 3. ठीक है, he is getting 3. Then I say, and the person who saves 20%. ठीक है, अच्छा, again 20% you are talking about, so 20% wala guy also cannot be A. Now one thing is clear, because A cannot be 20% wala guy, so that is going to be B, and in that case A is going to be the 40% wala guy. ठीक है, 40% wala guy. A is going to be the 40% wala guy. ठीक है, So 20% wala is B. ठीक है, 20% wala guy is B. And for B again, let's see what are the possibilities. So if you co-vary this case, so in this case what is happening is that B will be getting 8, so they are getting 11. Now that is not possible, because if A gets 4 and B gets 8, then 6 and 3 will be there. That case is not possible. Now let's say A is getting 8. Okay, A is getting 8, so the sum should be 14. Now again talk about from the first, the sum of annual income of who invest in bonds. Now who is investing in bonds? A cannot be that person, so it is one among C and E. Okay, one among C and D. So it could be anyone right now. Okay, if it is E, okay, if it is E, then the other one needs 11, and no one is earning 11. That is also certain. Okay, no one is earning 11. That is also certain. Okay, so that means ये वाले केस में here what we are talking about, the invest in bonds and 20%, that cannot be E. So that 1% is definitely C, and the other one is the one with the 4 lakh का income. ठीक है, and that 4 lakh का income वाला also person is not A. That is also certain. ठीक है, that is also certain, because further ahead in that statement only they are comparing it with Anuj का income. So Anuj cannot be the person with 4 lakh का investment का income. So one thing is certain, that it is B who is with 4 lakh ka income, and A definitely goes with 8 lakh ka income. Okay. Now talking about where do they invest. So A is not going to invest in FD. That is certain. Okay. Also we are talking about the annual income of the person who invests in bonds. Okay. Bonds and the person who saves 20%. So these two people were who? B and C. Now B is investing in shares, and that means C is the person who is investing in bonds. Okay, now A is not investing in FD, so E is investing in FD, and that means A is investing in commodities. Okay, now the set is done. We can move towards the questions. So what is the difference between the saving of Ishan and Chitra? So Ishan is saving 0.3, Chitra is saving 2.5. The difference is of 2.2 lakhs. That is option number A. Now who among the following invest his or her saving in bonds? So that is Chitra. And what is the annual income of Farhan? So that's the highest, that is 16. So this was a pretty good set on distribution, guys, and hope you have understood the set well. Thanks for watching the video.